What's up people, and welcome to this video. And in this one I'd like to show you guys off a little bit of our breeding stuff that we do here in the new Aberration server. And we just got our first mutated Spino. Oh yeah, I'm happy with it. It's gonna be my new fella to walk around with. The old one is right over there, and I actually just breeded him with this one, because we did like the red fins all over it, but we didn't got any other dino that had it. Because we tried to breed him in a female as well, because this one is male. Yeah, we tried to breed it in a female, but well, as of now it didn't work. And this is the second one we tamed, and that was the first one we tamed. All the others are breeds, and we already did got around, I don't know what's the highest number, 11. So I think this one is 12, 13 and 14. I'm not sure. Wes, our guy, he just woke up, just logged in. That is our breeder guy, and he knows all about it. So I also don't want to change too much about it before he sees this one. Yeah, that's what we try to do here in Aberration, to get the most epic and special dino breed with the Spinos, because yeah, the Spinos are the new Rexes, sort of. There's no Rex, and the Spino is all we got, so we gotta do it with Spino. We also tried it with the crabs, because well, as you can see, they are mate boosted and stuff like that, and you can enable them to wander to mate, but well, sadly they are not breedable. Nothing much happens. Maybe that's something stupid I'm thinking of right now, because there are, well, sort of water dinos. You gotta breed them in the water. Maybe. I never really thought of that, just as of now. Well, we can maybe try that out later today. But that's what we've been busy with a lot. What's up, Wesley? And here we got our chicken boot with our too much dodos. Oh, we also had, oh, it was just a few dodos. They died. Well, sad. Well, we don't really need that much more, and if we really want, we have some eggs, so let's see what we got over here. I guess that I tamed a raptor. It would be really awesome if we can find another female for this one, and maybe start breeding with this one as well. What I really want to do is get into breeding the Revengers. Yesterday we found a 145 male, finally, because we've been looking for it every single day. Now the task is to look every single day for a female, and then we can start breeding some nice Revengers as well. For the rest, the trike, maybe an Henky would be nice, but a duty and stuff like that, I don't care to breed. And what we also started, let's check this out, is their little bulldogs. They are so cute, right? They are so cute. Well, I started breeding 1 and 2 yesterday, which throw out 2 puppies. And well, I totally forgot that they're enabled on wandering when they came out. So I did totally forget about it, and well, you know, when they grow up, they started mating again. I didn't even notice. I came back to base and I saw 2 red names in there, and what the hell's this? Like, oh, okay, we got 2 more. So we got 4 baby bulldogs already. I'm not even sure which one they are. Also, I do know if they have these light colors, then that's a baby. So that one is a baby. This one is a baby. And those 2 are babies. No, they're not all babies. Wait. Well, these 2 are babies. I know that for sure. Some of you is lying here. This one here. You're not a baby. Go away. So these all 4 are babies. Started breeding them just actually to have a few spare ones around. And we also use them as a light inside our base, so it's going pretty well. So today's gonna be just a little bit of yeah, whatever stuff video. Started off with some breeding. I'm not sure what's gonna be next, but we will see. I'm just gonna try to record a lot today, show you guys a little bit around of what we do and how we do it. So I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So welcome back, and we just did something pretty cool again. We just went down into the cave, got us some drake eggs. Now we know, well, sort of the way we pretty much walked straight through it first time, and while walking out the cave didn't go that bad as well. And now we're back. We actually got a few drake eggs because we wanted to tame a basilisk. I saw a 145 peoples. So we thought, why not tame that? So we looked it up, and well, it only eats fertilized drake eggs. So well, we had to get a few anyway. So we did, but Wes had to go for work and stuff like that, and I'm just doing a bunch of nothing here. Well, I'm not trying to do a bunch of nothing. Instead of that, I'm trying to start off our new base, our new main base sort of location. Where we are, our old base, it's not really our old base, it's still gonna be our base. It's just right down there. We can't see it now. Don't know if zoom in will help. No, it doesn't. But it's right down there. Well, it's gonna be just our main base downstairs. We hold our dinos and stuff like that. And the only way up here with, well, the normal way up here is with the zip line. So we thought this is pretty safe up here, and well, yeah, of course there's another way to get here. If you have any rock rakes, you can just glide and climb up here. For the most other part, like a Spino or something else like that, it's gonna be pretty hard to get up here. So we thought this was a good location. So I started building here, and yeah, if you didn't know, it's PvP, so I'm gonna build PvP. And I started off with a 3-layer foundation, layer 1, layer 2, and over there is layer 3 that I still have to lay down. And I was still figuring out how I was gonna build my base and what's the layout gonna be and things like that. So I decided to make the doorway over here, and as you can see, we already got 2 doors in our main base. And we also have defense foundations all around, so we can build at least 2 walls thick, and maybe even 3, because there's one on the outside. So we will see how that ends up and where it leads us, because well, like I said, I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna do it the best way possible. I do want a little dino place for the dinos as well, so I'll probably have to build another small structure, well, maybe over here or on the other side, I don't know yet. We will see where that ends up. But yeah, that was my plan for the day, at least for now. Hopefully Wes comes back later, and well, we can try and tame the basilisk. I really don't want to go alone because, well, I'm a little bit afraid to do it solo, so I'm just gonna wait until Wes gets here, and then we'll do it. Should be alright. But a 145 basilisk, guys. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that one. Well, yeah, in the meantime, I'm just gonna do some buildy times, and we'll probably get back to it in a little bit, see how it goes. we are back at our PvP box of awesomeness. Well, oh wait, there's a drop. Let's get the drop first. What's in it? What's in it? Oh, nice. What's this? Apprentice Diplodocus cassette. Oh, come on. Ain't nothing better. But our PvP box of awesomeness is becoming a reality. I just have some double layer wall action, some pillar action. It doesn't really got any use yet, but alright, it's still there. It's really nothing special, it's just a box. And still in construction as well. We can take a little bit of glimpses inside. Let's just place some turrets. I really just did it to make it look a little bit better. It's probably gonna be a little bit different than it is right now. Like I said, I just placed them to make it look cool. And here we can go up. Come on, let's go up. Open this. And here we have another floor, which is still in construction, as you can see. And, well, I might be planning to go one floor more. I don't know yet. We will see where it ends up, but it is getting along pretty well. And that's a good thing. So, well, let's head back down again. We have seen this now. Come on. Close the thingy. Oh, damn earthquake. Gotta close the doors, right? Yep. Gotta close the doors. And there's another one. Yep. Oh, boy. So, well, yeah, that's really it. Our little PvP box of awesomeness is in construction. It's going alright. We still didn't tame the basilisk. Might be ending up in another video, because I don't know if we're gonna do it today, tomorrow, or the next day. But anyway, we are prepared for it, so that is a good thing, right? I'm just heading back to base, and, well, I actually don't really know what I'm gonna do next. I'll probably just go back to farming some stuff, because I've done that a lot already. Because making this metal base is taking up a lot of resources already. But that's okay, that's fun. We farm. No problemos. So we'll put you back in here. Right there. Close the door. Why is this door open? Someone escaped. Alright, put you back there. Boopity boo. Yeah, my little buddies. So I think I'm just gonna end the video here for today. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please let me know in the comments. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.